park, and I'm just gonna go on the slide.
Girl, I did not tell you can go on the slide again.
Come on.
Go on the slide. Hurry up.
Look, the dolphin. Look.
Here we go. Now, I guess you go upstairs. Go on upstairs.
Would you like a hand with anything?
Go. I'm filming you.
Cool here. Whoa. Look here.
Are you gonna check into your hotel room, sweetie?
Yeah. Dad, this is the best day ever.
Really?
Yes, best.
The best day?
Yes, best.
All right. Okay, let's see what we gotta do here. Ooh.
Could I come in?
Come on in. Keep the shot. Yeah, there you go. Go get on the bed. I'm gonna turn on the air conditioning because it's hot in here. Muggy.
Whoa! We ain't even got a balcony. Daddy,
You see water from the balcony?
yeah. We even got a balcony.
Yeah, harbor view.
Balcony.
Yeah, make sure the camera can see it.
Daddy, could you hold it now? I want to see out there.
Amen.
Oh, look, that's water.
Turn around, give me a smile. See, we got harbor view. Good. Be careful out here though. Harbor view. Beautiful. All right, say goodbye. I love you.
Goodbye, I love you.
Or who are the kisses for?
Everyone.
We made it. We made it. Hey everybody, it is Daddy kicking Bajan K. And Bajan K, what are you doing right now? What are you trying to get into?
I'm trying to get into a candy toilet.
A candy toilet. It's a candy, right?
Yes.
It's candy, okay?
Yes, and these are the candy plungers.
The candy plungers. And then what is this?
This is the toilet.
The toilet. Okay, well, I'm going to let you eat your toilet in peace. We just got to Wrightsville Beach. We're going to be exploring the area, going to the beach, doing a little bit of jiu-jitsu, and we're going to go and try to find some nice plants and let everybody see the view that we have in this beautiful hotel room. It's so gorgeous. So many houses. So, KK, tell them goodbye. You love them.
Bye. We love you. Thank you forever.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Bye.
Bye. Don't leave me, baby.
That says exit and that says exit.
Yes, it does.
What one? What? It says exit and this one.
You ready to take a right? Come on.
Take a right.
Go. Go take a right. Go hit the button for down.
This one?
That right there. Hit the down button. Okay.
Which?
Look. Ooh, it opened up.
Now I'm gonna. What?
Hit number 2 with the star.
Okay, number 2. This one.
Yes. Perfect. Let's go see this beach, okay?
Yeah.
You're missing the ocean.
I see it.
You see the ocean?
Yes. Whoa. I feel the steam. There's a lot of people. See ya.
Be careful now.
Oh, that's a little bit scary.
Yeah. So come on. Come with me. Come on. I'm waiting on you, Slowpoke. Where do you want to go, sweetie?
In the ocean, of course.
I know. I said, where do you want to go sit up? We can sit down. Come on. We're protected from the sand. So, hands up. Hands up. Mount. Go for your mount. Go for the mount. Go for the mount. Go for the mount. Go for the mount. Ah! Okay, now hold me down. We're gonna run. Relax. 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 Sweep. Sweep. Okay? You have to do it quick. So come on. Come on, see you now. Okay, I'm gonna swing. See you now. Turn your back and throw. Turn your back, butt out, throw. Okay. Come on. Feel belly. Mount. Mount. Okay. Now what about the pull the arm in? Sit down. And then look, put this leg over my face. Yeah, do it. You got it. You got an arm bar. Don't whine. Come on. Come on. Swing that leg. Swing it. Swing your leg. Swing that leg. Swing the leg. Boom. Grab my arm. Pull. I'm not going to talk to you. Grab my arm. Pull down. Pull down. Lift up your butt. Put your back on the ground. Grab both. Okay. Grab my arm. No, put your butt up. Put your butt up. No. Just your hips like that. Okay, good. That. See you nine. Okay, see you nine. So what are you going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to grab my arm, turn your back that way. Now. No. Don't say no. Just wait. Now look. See you now. Okay? So you grab arm. What? No. Wait. See? Put arms on shoulders. Now slide. Okay. You scared? Did that scare you? KK, do you know why the waves are coming in closer and closer?
Yeah.
Because of the tides?
Tides.
The tides, yes.
Tides.
Because look, do you know where the water will be when it moves all the way up? Look the other way, look that way. You see where the white and the brown meet? That's the tide line, okay? See, it's coming in more and more. That means more fish and animals are coming up here. No, they won't hurt you. They won't hurt you. Look, stop. The animals that are in stuff like this, they're called fauna. Say fauna. Fauna. Like little crab, little fish. They don't hurt you. They're not gonna hurt you. They're not gonna hurt you. Well, go get it. I got it. Go get it. See, it pushed it up. It helps you. Go on. Put them together. So Bajan K, you had a adventure in the sea. What are you doing now?
I'm making sand.
You gonna make sand creatures? Okay.
Yeah, creature. First, get a smooth surface.
That's how you do it?
Smooth surface. Now, boom. Uh-oh.
Let's get some more stuff out.
Get all of that stuff out. Get all of the stuff out. Yeah, I'm making sea cages now. Like a seahorse. Ew. Helps me to find sea creatures.
Okay, fauna. Okay. Whoa, why you gonna throw it on me? Don't throw it on me. Throw it over there.
I'm thinking it's so deep.
Okay.
Daddy, you can play with my toys too.
Thank you. We're building sandcastles together.
Yeah. If they got someone in.
That's fine.
I love the sand.
I can tell. Ah. Okay, I'm gonna start building a castle right here. I'm smoothing out everything.
But Daddy, you're getting it in my home.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, I need to get some water. I need to get some water with this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Babe, don't go to get the water. Get the water from here.
but I needed this.
We'll put it in there.
Okay. Okay.
Look at you just stepped on my sandcastle.
Sorry.
All
Sorry.
right, it's okay. I can make another one.
Okay. Now you need to put-
See, look. See my sandcastle? Look.
Whoa, whoa. I keep falling. Hey, I did this. My horse up. Oh, I can take it off. I'm digging it. You know what it is?
Show the camera. You're being on
Guys, I just dig this up and I couldn't find it and now I found it.
Yes, is it
See?
yours?
Yes.
Okay.
Now the pros do.
The pros? How would you know about the pros? Okay. Are you gonna make a you gonna do a sandcastle?
No.
Oh.
Make it perfect. This is how the pros do.
The pros do it like that? What, the professional sandcastle builders?
No. The professional molders.
The professional molders. Okay. Look, I built some towers.
Oh, that's cool.
Ain't that cool?
Yeah.
Like,
I'm gonna make some
here's some more sea creatures for you.
Thank you.
Come on.
This is not a sea creature. This is a dinosaur.
Yeah, but I think there were sea creatures I think there were dinosaurs in the sea a long time ago.
Whoa, that would be so cool if they were in here now.
They'd be big. You'd be able to see them all across the horizon.
Oh, look, a dog.
Yeah.
That dog is trying to run to us. It's trying to run.
That dog ain't thinking about it.
It's trying to run to us.
Oh, my wall fell down.
It did
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna dig my hole.
Okay.
Oh, look at this line. I think I'm close to something.
Look, I got a little village right here.
Oh, look. That dog is trying to run. Oh, whoa. It's getting hard.
Getting harder?
I think I'm going to get close to crab.
You think so?
Yes, a shovel. Shovel. Oh, whoa. The shovel, it did so deep. The sand could get deep.
Oh yeah, yeah. You can go deep in the sand. The sand goes on for a long time. I think I have a little fortress right here of sandcastles.
Yeah,
Okay,
cool.
why you keep blasting me with sand? You're never gonna get this out of my car.
Yeah, never. Never ever.
Don't throw sand on me. Thank you. Go the other way. Oh, I can use this.
You can use that.
Oh, okay. This could be like some state houses or something like that.
You can use this too.
I can't. Oh, thank you. It's a bridge. A pink bridge.
Now I think it's very fast.
Ah.
This is never gonna get out. Until it's all covered, I'm good.
How was your trip to the Wrightsville Beach? Was it fun?
Yeah.
So did you go out on the beach and collect seashells? You did some jiu-jitsu and you made some sandcastles. Did you learn how to walk in your slides? Was it difficult?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell everybody goodbye. We love them.